Good morning, students. Today is our fifth lecture of our chemistry of a +1 class. In a previous lecture, we have discussed about the configuration of atoms. That is, how can we write the electron configuration of atoms. But today we have discussed about the electron configuration of ions. How can we write the configuration of ions? In a 10th class, we have already studied about the ions, that of how the ions are formed. Ions are formed by the gaining or the losing of a electron. That is, there are of two types of ions. That is, first here cations, and second one here anions. And cations contain the positive charge. And how they are formed? They are formed by the losing of electron. Second one type of ion is your anions. Anions contain negative charge. And how they are formed? They are formed by the gaining of electron. Now, in today's topic, we have discussed about the electron configuration of ions. How can we write the electron configuration of cations, and how can we write the configuration of anions? Cations are formed by the losing of electron and contain the positive charge. If we write down like this way, Na positive, it means it lose only one electron. If we write the Mg2 positive, it means two electrons are loose from their parent atom. Clear? I have positive sign, or if we write the Fe3 positive, it means they are losing 3 electrons. In a same condition in a case of anions, if we taking the example that is chlorine negative. Negative contain means they are gaining electron. How many electrons are gained? They gain a single electron. If we write that is O2 negative. 2 negative means they are negative means they are gaining electron. How many electrons are they gaining? 2 electrons are they gain. Now, how can we write the configuration of these ions? Clear? Firstly, I am taking the example of a sodium. Positive means they are from a cation. Firstly, write down the general configuration. Sodium, firstly write down the symbol of a sodium. Sodium, a symbol of a sodium. Sodium is the element and the symbol of a sodium is Na, and the atomic number is 11. How can we write the configuration now? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. But we have a question that we have write down the configuration of electron configuration of Na positive. Positive means they are losing one electron. Firstly, in a case of a sodium, how many electrons are present? 11 electrons are present. But when they are losing the electron, 11 minus 1 electrons are lost and 10 remains. Now, here sodium positive has a 10 electrons. Now we have to fill, or we can say that remove the one electron from the outermost shell. After we if we are adding the electron or removing the electron, we are adding or removing the electron from the outermost shell. How can we, how many electrons we lose? One electron. If we remove the electron in from 3s1, then it remains 3s remains empty. So that's why electron configuration of a sodium becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Clear? Now I am taking another example. For example, Fe2 positive. That is the symbol of iron has a symbol Fe. That has a, firstly write down the configuration of a iron. Iron has atomic number 26. Configuration become 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 4s2, and 3d6. Clear? Now देखो, look, that is we have completed the 26 electron. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 6 2 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 6 26. Clear? Now we are writing the configuration of Fe2 positive. Now we are removing the electron. How many electrons they lose? They lose 2 electrons, and that electron are loosed from the outermost shell. We are moving the electrons from 4s. We are filling the electrons firstly in a 4s, also removing the electrons from the 4s orbital, and 4s remains empty. Then the configuration of Fe2 positive becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 3d6. This point is keep in our mind. That is, firstly, if we are filling the electron, then we have firstly fill in a 4s orbital before the 3d orbital. Same, if we are removing the electron, then we are remove the electron from the 4s orbital, not from the 3d orbital. Filling and the removing of electron takes place from the 4s orbital. I am taking another example. If we are moving, here we write it. If we write Fe3 positive, 3 positive means we are moving the 3 electrons. It means we are moving the 2 electrons from a 4s orbital, and 1 electrons we remove from a d orbit. We are removing the 3 electrons. We have to remove the 3 electrons, that is 2 from a 4s orbital. Firstly, we have to remove the 4s orbital. After that, we are removing the electron from the 3d orbital. Now the configuration of it becomes argon 3d5. Clear? Up to this, that is remains same. There is no changes, but there will be the changes in this. If we are moving the 2 electrons, we have to remove the 2 electrons from a 4s orbital. If we are moving the 3 electrons, for example, we are taking the example of a Fe3 positive. It means we are moving the electrons, the 2 electrons from 4s orbital and 1 from a 3d orbital. And in a 3d, firstly in a orbital 6 electrons are present. We are moving 1 electron, it remains 5. 4s is your empty. It means if you write like this, it means it is empty orbit. It is compulsion to mention that is like this way, that is 4s1, it means 1 electron is present. If we write 4s2, it means 2 electron present. If we write like this, it means your 4s orbital is empty. Clear? This is about the cations, and they also form the anions. Anions are formed by the gaining of electron. Firstly, we are taking the example of chlorine. Chlorine has atomic number 17. It means 17 electrons are present in this configuration of a chlorine. Becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine negative. Negative means they are gaining how many electrons? Firstly, in the case 17 plus 1 is equal to 18 electrons are there. Then we have to, it has gained the electrons, we have added this. 5 plus 1 in a p maximum 6 electrons are there. 5 plus 1 and it becomes 6. 3p6. This is about the electron configuration of ions. How can we write the electron configuration of a cations and ions? Now I am taking another example of how can we write the configuration of ions. I am taking the example of a copper. We write the configuration or electron configuration of copper or the copper to positive. Clear? In this, firstly, we have write to configuration of an atom. In this, that is the atomic number of a copper is 29. So that we have to write the configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d9. There is a exceptional cases of a copper na, so that's why configuration of a copper is 3d10 and 4s1. Clear? 3d10 and 4s1. Clear? Now we have to write the configuration of a copper positive, Cu positive. It means we are moving the one electron. Copper positive means we are moving the one electron, and up to यहाँ तक that is electron configuration remains same, and we can write the AR also in a. Now we have to remove the one electron. We have to remove the one electron in a outermost in a 4s orbital firstly. Then the configuration becomes the 3d10. Now next example is copper 2 positive. 2 positive means we are moving the 2 electrons from an atom. That is, we have to remove the one electron from a one electron is present in s orbital. We have to remove the one electron from a s orbital. Next, we have to remove the one electron from a d orbital. Then the configuration of a copper 2 positive becomes Ar3d9. Clear? In this way, we can write the configuration of anions, mostly in a case of cations. These are the most important. Now, next topic is the diamagnetic or the paramagnetic character of an element. Next, we have discussed about the diamagnetic and the paramagnetic character. Diamagnetic character is dia means 2, means they are fully filled orbitals. Clear? In our next we have also discussed the paramagnetic. They have any element or any ions have two types of a character, that is the diamagnetic character or the paramagnetic character. Para means single, means they have a half filled orbital. They say that paramagnetic character. Now in this we have discussed about that. First question is that nickel 2 positive has a diamagnetic character or the paramagnetic character. How can we find that is the nickel 2 positive has a diamagnetic character or the paramagnetic character? Firstly, in that cases, nickel has atomic number 28. Firstly, we have to write the configuration of a nickel. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d8. Clear? But we have to find a nickel 2 positive. In a case of a nickel 2 positive, we are moving the 2 electrons and we are moving the 2 electrons from a 4s orbital. Then a configuration becomes 3d8. Now fill that electron in a orbitals. Up to argon that remains same, but in a case of a d, how many orbitals are present? 5 orbitals are present. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next year 4s. In a s, 1 orbital is present. And in a case that is a 4s we show neither 1 nor 2. It means it is empty. We are moving the 2 electrons from a 4s orbital. Now we have to write the configuration of a 3d8. Now, according to the rules, that is, firstly we have to fill the singly. We have to fill the like electrons like this. 5 orbitals are present. We have to fill the 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are applying the principles, rules. That is according to the Hund's rule. That is, firstly we have to fill the single. After that, pairing will be started. According to the Pauli, we have to fill the 2 electrons in each orbital, and they must have a opposite spin. We keep that rules in our mind while filling the configuration. Now in that case, beta, look. Now we have to find a diamagnetic or the paramagnetic character. In this, these are the two electrons are present in this case. But in that case, look, only a single electron is present in our 2 orbitals. So we can say that ion has a paramagnetic character. If in any orbital the electron is present singly, in any either they have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anyone. If in any orbital electron is present single electron is present in any orbital, then the character of that element is paramagnetic character. Clear? Now we are taking another example, that is the zinc 2 positive. Firstly, we have to write the configuration, atomic number of a zinc. Atomic number of a zinc is 30. Then the configuration become 3d 10 and 4s2. And zinc positive 2 positive, it means that is, we have to remove the 2 electrons. The 2 electrons are removed from a 4s orbital. It remains empty. Now configuration becomes we are filling the 3d. How many electrons are present? 10 and 4s is empty. We have to fill 10 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look, in each orbital 2 electrons are present. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now they have a fully filled. Each and every orbital is fully filled. So that's why it is called a diamagnetic character. The element has a diamagnetic character. Firstly, we have write the configuration of a copper positive and copper 2 positive. Now look, what is the character of these copper 2 positive and the copper positive and copper 2 positive? Firstly, fill the orbitals. In a case of copper positive, there are the 10 electrons are present in a D and 4s is remains empty. 4s, it is compulsion to mention. 3d 10. Now 10, according to rules, we have to fill the 10 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now each and every orbital is fully filled. So that's why copper positive has a diamagnetic character. Now another is copper 2 positive, and configuration is AR means organ, that is 9 and 4s remains empty. Now fill in orbitals. 5 orbitals of a D and 1s, 4s as a 1 orbital, s as a 1. So 4, in a case of 4s it remains empty, but in a case of a 3D we have to fill the 9 electrodes. It means we have to fill 9. Some students are not mentioned like this way. If you are mention only 3D, it means empty. No electron is in present in a 3D. This is some mistakes in your homework that you have sent already. Now we have to fill the 9 electrons. According to rules, firstly we have to singly filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the pairing 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look, in this, in a last orbital, only one electron is present. It is not the pairing will be there in our orbit. So copper 2 positive is paramagnetic. Correct. Clear? These things are right to compulsion in each and every question. Most of you students do not write like this. These are the major mistakes in a configuration. Thank you.